After I learned this recipe, my family asks every week. We started peeling 2 units of banana. Look how easy. Now, cut them in half and then into cubes. This fruit will make our cake super moist and tasty. Now, in a bowl, add 100 grams of sugar, 1 unit of egg and mix everything very well. This mixture will be the basis of our delight. Let's give a touch of chocolate. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa and mix a little more. Look how the dough is getting beautiful. Now, add 100 milliliters of milk and mix very well. This will make our super creamy and irresistible mass. With the help of a sieve, add 200 grams of wheat flour and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix with enough delicacy not to lose that light air. Now, it's time for the stars. Add the sliced bananas into the dough and mix everything with care. The aroma is already amazing. Bake in preheated oven at 170 degrees for 40 minutes. The wait will be worth it, I promise. And here it is. Our wonderful banana chocolate cake is ready to be eaten. Look at this texture. It's crazy. Did you like this recipe? Then like and follow our page to receive more tips like this. Bon appetit and until the next culinary adventure. You will not regret.